Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to archive a highlight on Instagram. First things first, launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap then on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And look for the highlights section on your profile where your saved stories are displayed. In here, just tap and hold on the specific highlight, which is essentially a collection of your archive stories. After that, a menu should appear. If the option isn't archived, just tap on Delete Highlight. Then confirm the action by selecting Delete. Lastly, make sure to understand that deleting a highlight essentially archives it. The story will still be in your story archive and can be brought back into highlights if desired. It is not permanently deleted, which is, it allows you to access it again. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.